Hi all. Now we are going to see the program control transfer instructions in the 8086 instruction set. So there are two types of such instructions which falls under conditional and unconditional transfer instruction. When there is no condition, then obviously it will fall, or the categorization will be under call, return, or jump, just jump. So when there is no condition, it just calls or returns or jump. But when there is a condition, it jumps based on a particular condition. So this J will be accompanied with a condition. We'll see one by one in the next slides. Now here we have the call instruction. This call instruction is going to execute a sub program or a next loop or small procedure, and it can be a near call or for call. So if it is a near call, then obviously it like it's just decrements the stack pointer by 2 and copies the offset of the next instruction after the call on the stack. And also it loads the instruction pointer with the offset of the procedure or the subprogram, then to start the execution of the procedure. Whereas for a for call, here it is entirely different, because here the value of the code segment and the offset of the next instruction both are being backed up in the stack, and then it branches to the procedure or the subprogram by changing the content of the code segment with the segment base containing the subprogram and the instruction pointer with the offset of the first instruction of the subprogram. So this is the major difference between the near and the for call. So this is an example for the near call. Return is very simple. It will return to the procedure. Return instruction will return to the execution from the procedure to the next instruction after the call has been done. So this call will be accompanied with the RET return instruction. Unconditional instruction is jump. So it just jumps to the particular address that is mentioned. So no condition, just it jumps to the next the instruction or the address that has been mentioned in the instruction here. Moving on to the conditional instruction or the conditional jump. Here we have this J accompanied with a condition. It can be JC or JNC, JZ or JO or JNO, JNZ. Anything can be given. It is all representing the flag. JC represents jump on carry. So if we have a carry, then we have to jump to the instruction or the memory address in which it is mentioned along with JC. If for this case, this instruction executes or it jumps to the memory address that has been mentioned here if there is no carry. So we should be clear about JC and JNC, even if it is JZ or JNZ. If there is no N, it represents whatever flag, carry or zero or overflow, whatever parity. So we will jump if that particular flag is set. If N is accompanied, means it represents no zero, no carry, no parity. In that case, that flag will be reset. In that case, you have to jump to the memory address that has been mentioned. This is also accompanied with the iteration control instructions. So we'll iterate inside a loop, and so the example is loop. So it will loop through the set of instructions until CX is 0. So this is a simple iteration instruction. Thank you.